Hi, my name is Brian Christner. I'm your instructor for Become a Docker Power User with Microsoft Visual Studio Code. I look forward to sharing my knowledge about Docker and Visual Studio Code, and the objective of this course is to improve your workflows, show you some tips and tricks, and save you time. Let's get started and understand exactly what we're going to see in this course. The agenda for the introduction is as follows. We're going to introduce both the course as well as myself and cover the outline and objectives of the course. So let's get started with the introduction. My name is Brian Christner. I'm the founder of thebyte.io, which is the training platform for traffic, Docker, Visual Studio Code, and monitoring. I'm also a DevOps engineer, so I'm very hands-on. I've been doing DevOps consulting for the last 3 years under the brand of 56k.cloud, where I was a co-founder. Now, my background is really engineering and cloud architecture. I bring these two worlds together because they work really well together. You bring your automation skills and your cloud skills together to build really modern application stacks today. I'm really passionate about monitoring and open source. And so much being that I try to give back as much as I'm taking from open source. I'm super passionate. So everything that you see, I try to put right back out on GitHub. So you can look at my GitHub profile and find all the open source projects that I'm working on. I've also been a Docker captain since 2016, the original batch. You can actually see that I have my Moby shirt on, and I'm representing Docker as much as I can as an advocate, as well as a community ambassador, where I'm trying to enable others to learn more about Docker, containers, and the cloud native landscape. Additionally, I'm a traffic ambassador. Traffic is a cloud native edge router, and it's quite new, and it's a very modern way to route traffic into your container microservice ecosystem. Finally, I'm an avid mountain biker. If you follow me on Twitter, I do my own tricks, you'll see me tweeting about containers and Docker and Kubernetes and all these cool things. And then you'll see me randomly throw in some mountain bike topics as well. So follow me, stay tuned, and you'll see all sorts of great topics.